In this video, you'll learn how to quickly and correctly install vinyl panels. First, the basics. The subfloor must be even and free of dirt. Prepare a carpenter square, a utility knife, and pliers. You'll need them during installation. We start laying the panels from the wall. Remember about expansion gaps? At the end of the wall, measure the remaining space. Mark the appropriate distance, making sure to be precise, and score the panel. Then you can break it along the score. The leftover piece of the panel is perfect for starting the next row. It's a good idea to add the next panel. That way you'll be sure everything's even. And of course, don't forget the expansion gap. We start the second row with the cut panel. What if we have a narrow cut? It's worth using pliers and, if needed, trimming the panel. We finish the room and move on to the next one. We pass the wall and go through with the first panel. Notice that the installation here is different. We have to connect to the previous panel. And this way, you'll be able to lay panels in several rooms.